On screen text, remove multiple songs from Spotify playlist, quick and easy. Narration, here's how to remove a bunch of songs from a Spotify playlist in seconds, on desktop and mobile. Narration, first, on desktop, open Spotify and click the playlist you want to clean up. Narration, scroll to the first song you want to remove, then click it once to highlight it. Narration, now hold Shift and click the last song in the range you want to delete. Everything in between is selected. Narration, right-click any of the selected songs, then choose Remove from this playlist. Narration, all the selected tracks disappear at once. Use this to quickly clear sections of any playlist. Narration, to pick non-adjacent songs, hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac while clicking different tracks. Narration, then right-click one of them, hit Remove from this playlist, and they're all gone together. Narration, on mobile, Spotify doesn't let you multi-select yet, so here's the fastest workaround. Narration, tap the three dots on the playlist, choose Edit Playlist, then tap the red minus or remove icon beside each song you don't want. Narration, it's not true multi-select, but editing mode lets you rapid tap through tracks to clean a playlist fast on your phone. Narration, that's it. Use Shift or Control on desktop for instant bulk deletes, and Edit mode on mobile for quick cleanup. Subscribe for more quick Spotify tips.